I draw an ellipse. This is the mouth of the cup when we look horizontal. I paint the body of the cup. I want it to be soft. This is the bottom of the cup. I draw the strap of the cup. In fact, the straps of the cup will help you hold the cup easier. Do not be surprised by these curves. It will inspire color to make a lot of sense for this cup. I use red to color this section with the meaning life. I use the orange pen to color this section with the message healing. I use a yellow pen to paint it and its meaning is sunlight. The fourth color I use is green, which means nature. The fifth color I use for coloring is blue, which is the harmony. The sixth color for this cup is purple, which is the spirit. Final. I use pink for the straps of the cup. Of course its meaning is cute. I finished it and I really love this cup because it has so